Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Shaina. If you're experiencing lower back pain and your lower back appears to look like this, then this video is for you. This is also called swayback posture, anterior pelvic tilt, and the main cause of this condition is tight hip flexors and weak glute muscles. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a few exercises to permanently address this issue. So we are going to stretch the tight areas, your lower back and your hip flexors, and strengthen up the weak areas, your lower abdominal muscles and glutes. So let's get started. The first stretch is for hip flexors. For this one, get in half kneeling posture, and from here bring your knees slightly forward and keep your back straight. You'll feel the stretch in front of your thighs. Hold this position for at least 30 seconds and go for 3 reps each side. If you want to feel more stretch, lift the same side up and stretch towards the opposite side. Breathe naturally and relax. Switch other side. Bring your knees slightly forward, keep your back straight. If you feel the stretch in this position, stay like this. Otherwise, lift your hand up and stretch towards the opposite side. And relax. The second stretch is for your lower back. This is called double knee to chest. For this one, you're going to lie down on your back and bend your both knees. Now from here, bring your both knees towards your chest and hold this position for at least 30 seconds. Breathe naturally. You feel the stretch in your lower back as well as your glutes. And relax. Go for at least 3 reps and do this exercise at least twice a day. And relax. The third exercise is child pose. For this one, you're going to get in 4-point position. Your arm should be right under your shoulder and knee should be right under your hips. Now from here, widen your knees, wider than your shoulder, and bring your hips back. And you can also stretch your hands forward. Stay in this position for 30 seconds. Breathe naturally. And relax. Go for at least 3 reps. And relax. The next exercises are the strengthening exercises. The first one is posterior pelvic tilt. For this one, so you're going to lie down on your back. Now when you have a sway back posture, you will see your hand can slide under your back and there will be a space in between your back and the floor. So what we're going to do, we are going to go for posterior pelvic tilt and we'll engage our lower abs. So you can place your hand on your pelvic, and now from here, bring your pelvic, take it back, and you're going to press your back against the floor, and you will see you're not able to slide your hand. Engage your lower abdomen muscle and relax. Do this exercise at least for a minute. Breathe naturally. And relax. The next exercise is strengthening exercise for lower abs. So what you're going to do, stay in the same position. You can place your hand under your hips for some support. Now bend your knees. Now from here, you're going to lift your tailbone up and then bring your leg down and touch the floor. Now when you come back, make sure the movement is in control. You'll feel it in your lower abs. Go for at least 10 reps into 2 to 3 sets and relax. The next exercise is strengthening exercise for glutes. This is called bridges. So what you're going to do, you're going to stay in the same position and your feet is going to be shoulder width apart. Now you're going to balance on your heel and place your arms on the side. Now lift your hips up, squeeze your glutes, Hold this position for 1 second and bring it back. You're also working on a hamstrings. Go for at least 10 reps. Squeeze your glutes, engage your core, and relax. Go for at least 2 to 3 sets and relax. The progression of this exercise is single leg bridges. So stay in the same position, lift your one leg up. Your thighs should be parallel to each other. Now from here, lift your hips up and slowly bring it back. Go for 10 reps each side. Switch other side and go for 2 to 3 sets. And relax. The last exercise is a progression exercise for the glute muscles. So what you're going to do, we're going to go for glute lunges. So stand straight and your feet should be hip width apart. Now from here, bring your one leg up. Now extend your opposite leg back how much you can. And now from here, we'll go for lunge and bring it back. Go for at least 10 reps into 2 to 3 sets. Relax. Switch other side. Take your leg back. How much you can extend. Now from here, go for lunge and bring it back. You'll feel the stretch in your hip flexors, but we're also strengthening our glutes. And relax. I hope you feel better with these exercises, and if you have any questions, do drop down the comment below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.